Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Melanie Aska Kamila. I'm from English Education Department, Class 4 and Class A. Okay, in this video, I will explain about literature analysis. Is the analysis of novella with the title The Little Prince. Okay, let's continue to our analysis. So, The Little Prince is novella written and illustrated by French aristocrat, writer, and military pilot, yaitu Anthony de Saint-Exupéry. Jadi penulisnya itu namanya Anthony de Saint-Exupéry. Dia tuh gak cuman penulis atau sastrawan tapi military pilot juga. And it was first published in English and French in the United States by Raynal and Hitchcock in April 1914 and was published posthumously in France following liberation. Jadi ini tuh ditulis ulang dalam bahasa Perancis. Aslinya kan bahasa Inggris, terus diartikan lagi ke bahasa Perancis dan dipublish pada bulan April tahun 1943. Dan ini tuh masuk library-nya Saint-Exupéry. Okay, next, genre and theme. Genre dan tema. So, The Little Prince by Anthony de Saint-Exupéry is philosophical, allegorical children's fable for adults. It blends fairy tale element with poignant commentary on human nature. Jadi ini tuh bukan cuma cerita anak-anak aja, tapi cerita anak-anak yang ada unsur moral buat orang dewasanya juga. Terus ada fairy tale-nya juga, terus ada poignant commentary on human nature-nya juga. Terus next is written as a fable or fairy tale. Iya, karena tulisnya tuh dibungkusnya tuh dengan sedikit kesan fable sama fairy tales, padahal the moral message-nya tuh bukan anak-anak gitu loh. Jadi kayak novelnya orang dewasa atau remaja, tapi dibungkus pakai cerita tokoh-tokohnya tuh kayak tokoh-tokoh anak gitu loh. It uses element of fantasy personification of animals and plants such as the talking fox and rose and imaginative journey across planet to the life deep, and each other. Okay, next is story summary. So the first is the little prince feels hurt and does not understand love. When he sees thousands for rose on earth, he feels his rose is ordinary. Jadi kayak dia nggak paham sama apa itu cinta. Pas lihat rose di bumi, kan ada banyak. Kayak dia kayak merasa biasa aja gitu loh. The resolution happens when the fox teaches him that his rose is special because of the time he spent caring for her. Okay, and the next is conflict and resolution. Konfliknya itu yaitu pas The Little Prince-nya itu meninggalkan planetnya gara-gara dia gak paham kalau ternyata dia tuh suka sama Rose-nya. Sedangkan si Rose-nya paham kalau Little Prince tuh suka sama dia dan dia juga suka sama si The Little Prince itu, tapi si Rose-nya sombong gitu, fine. Dan ya udah dia biarin The Little Prince-nya pergi gitu aja. And the resolution is pas The Little Prince-nya itu disadarin sama si Fox itu kalau ternyata dia tuh ada feeling sama si Rose-nya gitu. Okay, next the characters. The Little Prince itu karakternya innocent and curious. Jadi dia tuh kayak ya he lives planet because he does not understand his love for the Rose. Jadi gak peka, gak tahu kalau ternyata dia tuh suka sama Rose-nya. Jadi dia ninggalin planet itu karena dia gak peka sama perasaannya sendiri. And number two, the pilot. The pilot itu naratornya. At the first, he thinks like other adults, but learns to see the world differently thereafter the Little Prince. Jadi awalnya the pilot itu merasa kayak udah kayak orang dewasa pada umumnya aja gitu loh. Sampai dia ketemu si Little Prince ini, dia jadi punya pandangan yang berbeda tentang kedewasaan. And then number three is the rose, beautiful but fade. Dia membiarkan si Little Prince-nya tuh pergi, padahal dia tahu kalau dia sama Little Prince itu sama-sama suka. Terus yang terakhir ada The Fox. Ini yang teaching moral message-nya itu ada di sini, ada di The Fox-nya. Moral value-nya, what is essential is invisible to the eye. Love mean responsibility. Jadi cinta itu bagaimana cara kita menanggapinya gitu loh. Grounds up often forget simple but important things because they are busy with money, power, and numbers. Children understand what is truly valuable. Oke, sekian dari saya. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.